Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by the Money Stocks. Today is July 2nd, 2019. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, today we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures down just about 2 points to 29.65 3/4 per contract. You're going to see that the markets are just trying to digest yesterday's gains for the most part. We'll see what comes out of this. Remember, the market will be closed on Thursday in the United States for the Independence Day holiday. Therefore, volume is likely to be very, very light the remainder of the trading week. So we'll see what we get today. But in the meantime, we're going to take a look at stocks in the news. That's where we're going to try to focus and make some money. Now, we do have some upgrades and downgrades that are movers. We got a few stocks that reported earnings. But let's talk about the biggest movers of the day. We're going to start the day off with Roku, R-O-K-U. Looks like this was downgraded. Stock closed at $91.37. Now the stock is trading at $88.85. So that's a pretty good little downgrade there. I think the stock has a lot of support today at around 79.25. So if it gets down there, I mean, I would like it, but I don't see it getting down that far. So again, we'll look at it once the opening bell rings. We'll see what it gives us. Again, when you look at the stock right now, you have to think that Roku's had a great run, finally pulling back. But there's not a whole lot to do here at the moment. So we'll sit tight. We'll look at it once the opening bell rings. We'll see what it gives us. Next up, I want to take a look at Western Digital, WDC. This had a good pop yesterday. Today it's trading at $48.30. Closed yesterday at $49.65. So you got a little bit of a downtick there as well. Again, when I look at Western Digital, there's really not a whole lot to do here yet. But we'll keep it on the radar. We'll see how it plays out. This is down on the back of a downgrade today. Next up, we have the trade desk. TTD is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at $229.06. Closed at $233.77. So this is a good little haircut here for the trade desk. Again, we'll be watching this pretty closely. Around the 219, 220 level. There's a fair amount of support there. You do have a 50-day moving average. I don't even love that level, to be honest. But just looking at the way this thing trades, probably holds it for a little while. So we'll see how it plays out. But again, TTD under pressure after a downgrade today. Let's take a look at a couple of earnings out here. Ameren. This is trading at $20.71. Looks like this is getting a pop after earnings. It closed at $19.24. We also have SMPL, which is simple. You're going to see this is trading at $26. This closed at $24.88. If you own this one, I would trail the stop loss immediately. It does look a little bit overbought on the daily chart at the moment. Let's go back to a couple upgrades and downgrades. Nordstrom, JWN, being downgraded today. The stock is trading at $31.04. Closed at $31.49. So this could be in play today. Again, Nordstrom will have some support around $30 if it does get there. Next up, want to take a look at CARS, which is cars.com. Stock is trading at $20.53. This closed at $19.86. So you got a little upgrade there. Let's do one more. CMA, which is Comerica. The stock right now trading at $72.16. Closed yesterday at $73.01. This is on a Goldman Sachs downgrade. Stock is trading off a little bit here. We'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. But to be honest, I don't see a lot of upside in this name. I don't see a lot of downside either, but not a lot of upside right now. All right, let's shift gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold was absolutely slammed yesterday. Closed below $1,400 an ounce. Still is below $1,400 an ounce right now, up $5.60 to $1,395 an ounce. So here, if you take a look at the GLD, you'll see that's trading at 131.35. Yesterday, it closed at 130.62. So you see that little bounce coming into the gold market, but it was absolutely slaughtered yesterday. Generally, after a big down day, the next day is a much more subdued session, usually more of a flat session, and maybe a small retrace. Next up, we want to take a look at crude oil. Crude oil this morning trading lower by 70 cents to $58.39 a barrel. If you go over to the USO, you'll see that's trading at $12.12. It looks like there was news out earlier that OPEC is looking to cut production. We'll see what comes out of it. Right now, it doesn't seem to matter. We have lots and lots of crude out there in the world, and right now we do have oil trading lower this morning by 72 cents to $58.37 a barrel. So there you have it. Once again, if you have not done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. Things are just starting to heat up again. We had a big May sell-off, a big June rally, and now the month of July, we'll see what it gives us. But get ready. Should be more fireworks in the cards down the road. With that being said, everybody, I want to wish you all a great trading day, and we'll see you a little bit later on the charts.